Pi network are actually over, and now we are in another era where everybody is asking themselves questions like, which project can I participate in that has the same easy earning mechanism like the Pi project, and also I can make good amount of profit on it like the Pi network. So in this particular video, guys, I'm going to be discussing with you about one of such projects, and it's actually still very new at its early stage, and if you participate in it and you are serious with it, you are going to get a maximum amount of profit, and also the mining speed is still very high for you to earn. And what is that project? It is called the Delta coin, as you can see right here. So that is the project, and I'm going to leave the link in the description section of this post and also in the comment section. That is the link that you can download and copy. So that is the link that you have access to download the app, and also that is the link that you are going to have access to it to be able to download the app, because the app is not currently available on the Google Play Store. That is if you are using the Android version of a device. But if you are using an Apple phone, you are safe because the app is currently available in the App Store. So now once you head over to the description or in the comment section, this is the link. You are going to just hit on that, and then it is going to open up on your Chrome like this. So now if it is not opening up, maybe probably because of your region, you can simply turn on your VPN and it is going to load. So once it loads up, it is going to come over to this page. So you can see this is Delta coin, and you can see that you can download the APK app in through this particular website right here. And then if you just hit here, it is going to guide you, and then you can also download it in the App Store. And if you come over to these three lines right here and then click on explore, you are going to see that this particular project is built on the ICP smart blockchain. And in the home section right here, like I was telling you, you have two options where you can download, and you have to hit over on the download Delta app now. So once you hit, it is going to come over here, so you have to hit download Android app APK. So once you hit on that, so it is going to come over to this page right here, so you can just click on download right here. So I've already downloaded the app. So once you click on that download and it downloads, you are going to come over to this three dots right here, and then once you come over to this three dots right here, you are going to come over to download right here. So once you hit on the downloads, it is going to appear here. So it is like this because I already downloaded the app and installed it. So once you download it is going to come over here. If you just hit on that, it is going to show you how to install, so you can just go ahead and install the app. So once you install the app, it is going to log you into the app like this. There is a pattern in which you are going to follow. Then there is a referral place where you are going to get to, and it is going to call ask you for a referral deed. So the referral deed is what you are currently seeing on your screen right now. So you just have to insert your referral deed, and then once you start it, you are going to get an additional, that is a bonus for it. And then you are going to just go ahead and input your username. So once you input your username, it is going to take you to where you are going to select your country, put your phone number and all of those. So guys, you are going to come over to this page like this, and all you have to do is forward this particular message to this particular number. So for me to do that, I want to use WhatsApp, not SMS. So I'll just switch to WhatsApp. You can see it's on WhatsApp right now. So after doing that, I have to come and click on I have sent the verification string right here. So let's hit on this sent logo, and then you can see launch WhatsApp program. So I'll click on confirm, and then just you see use WhatsApp business. So that is the WhatsApp I'm using. So I'll hit on that. So you can see it's loading. It has brought me to this page. So you just have to go ahead and send that particular code. So once you have sent it, so you have to go back to the app, and then once you get back to the app, just click on I have sent verification string next step. So you hit on confirm, and then once you have done that, you see it's currently trying to verify. You just have to wait. So you see it's showing queue. Sometimes you can see it's automatic. It's already it has already confirmed the code I just sent, and they are currently trying to look. You can see sign in successfully. So it has brought me to this particular page right here, and this is where you are actually going to be mining. So today is going to be the first time that I'm mining using this account. So this is how your own is going to come out. You can see tap to mine Delta coin. So you hit on that, and then once you hit on that, you are going to see this is where you are going to hit your mining. I want to turn on this notification button right here, so that they will be notifying me anytime that my mining session has ended. And then you have to hit on mine. So once you hit on mine now, it will just load. You can see right now it has started. So this is the timing. So it has started. This is 1 hour, so it is going to run for 24 hours. You can see it right here, and then you can see that I still have just one Delta coin right here. And then if you look at it, you see that about a total of 262,226 people are actually participating and mining in this particular project across different countries. You can see it right here. If you are not yet participating, I'm going to leave the link in the description section and also in the comment section, and also I'm going to leave the link for you to download the app if you are using an Android phone. But if you are using an Apple phone, you can just go to App Store and the app is there for you to download. And then as more people are joining and mining it, the mining speed is reducing, just like the Pi project. If you look at the Pi project right now, you discover that the mining speed is very small. It is very small compared to when it just started. Those who started somewhere in 2019 would tell you that they were mining as much as 10 Pi in a day. But if you look at it the way it is right now, even to mine one in a day is very difficult. And then if you look right here, you're going to see this is the way the allocation of this project is going to be like. If you look right here, this is the mining mechanism like I was telling you right here. So the more people are registering, the more the mining speed will be reducing, as you can see in this chart. You can take your time to study through that. So it's as simple as this. So if you want to refer people, you can just scroll down, you can see invite right here, click here, and then you are going to generate your referral link and then share to your friends. You can see this is it right here, so you can just copy it and share to your friends. So it's as simple as that.